Lance Gutterson again, sharing more drone footage from Estrella Del Mar Country Club. Unfortunately, this is of a bit of a different nature. There was substantial damage received about 10 days ago on the green on 14, and then the tee box in green on 15, and then the backside of 16. You'll also notice that the gold and the blue tees on 15 have been washed out as well. But as you can see here, Ben and I managed to make the best of it and played a whole bunch of golf. And this is a shot, of course, of the washout on the backside of hole 15, coming mighty close to the fringe. Well, once again, goodbye from Estrella Del Mar. We'll make the very best of it. See you soon.